Let me show you how to use the Facebook Ads library to find hot products either for your e-commerce product, your e-commerce business, your drop shipping business, your affiliate marketing business, whatever kind of business that you do and you need to sell physical products. I'll show you how to use the Facebook Ads library to see what is already working and how you can do the same thing. So the first thing you need to do is to come to Google and type Ads library. It's going to show you this, but we want to work with Facebook. So you click on the first or the second link that has Facebook right here. So this is the ad library. So you click on that and we want to go to the Facebook backend where Facebook gives us access to see what advertisers are doing on Facebook, running ads on Instagram and on Facebook and every other of the Facebook advertising marketplaces. So I'm just going to wait for this to come up and we are up. So this is basically the interface you are going to see. All right, this is the interface you are going to see, and the first thing you want to do is to change your location to the location that you have in mind. If you want to target the USA or you want to see ads generally from anywhere in the world where Facebook is allowed, you can come here and just select all, and then you can find you can select your category. I want to do these ads. I want to make this video using Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. So you can just come here because I'm in Nigeria. As you can see, it picks my current location as Nigeria. So it's going to pick your own location as Nigeria and you can work from there. So I select Nigeria and I want to come and choose the ad category that I want. I can say I want to see all ads that are not about elections, politics and stuff like that. So if you come here, this is where you search your the keyword of what you want to sell or what you are looking for. So let's say you are in the weight loss niche or you are in the fitness niche. Let me just use fitness. You come here, you just type fitness and you want to search the exact phrase. All right, so when you type fitness or whatever your niche is, you are going to see some other pages that are about fitness. So you can equally see advertisers. The advertisers, you can equally go through their pages if that's okay for you. Or we want to search this exact fitness because we want to see what other people have been doing before now. So again, as you can see, this is my location and this is all ads. Now we have ads. These are ads that are currently running about fitness in Nigeria. So you can do this from any part of the world as long as Facebook is allowed there. So you can scroll through and you can see the different kind of products that people are trying to sell. We just saw the Zumba store not long ago from the advertisers, and this is other advertisers right here. You can come to the top right here where it says filters and you can click on filters and you want to filter further the kind of adverts that you want to see. So you can say you just want ads that are in English because right here I can see this advert. This advert is not in English. So this person is very possibly targeting worldwide and I don't want that. So I want to see only adverts that are in English. So if I check English, again, I want to select the kind of campaigns that I want to see. Do you want to see ads that are currently running or ads that have stopped running? So I want to see only active ads because if they've been running these ads, that means the ads is converting. All right. So you want to equally select the platform where you want these adverts. If you want to look at just adverts from only Facebook, you can check Facebook only, or if you want just Instagram, let's say you are focused on just Instagram, you can select only Instagram. I'm just going to leave it to all platforms because I don't care. So you come here, you want to select the time frame. The time frame, I think this started working from 2018. That's why I set to 2018. So I'm just going to keep it to, let's say in the last, okay, I just want to do in the last 60 days. So I've set it from 3rd of 1st March to April. So I click on apply filter. So it's going to apply these filters and remove the ads that doesn't fall in this category. So right here we can see these ads that are currently running. This is by AJ Fitness 123. So you can see what they are selling. All right, to just see this, you can see basically everything they are doing. So they want you to send a message on WhatsApp to them, and this is basically a free way to see what people are doing and what works and the product they are selling, if you should sell it. All right, so let's go further. This is Pursue Fitness. So the best gym wear, this person is selling gym wears. So as you can see, they are selling gym wears. So right here you can see when this advert started running. So this advert started running since December 22nd 2022, which is around 5 to 6 months. So if this person has kept this advert running since then, that means this person is very clearly seeing some profit. So here you can equally see the platforms this advert is running on: Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Ads Management, Facebook Messenger. This simply means this person just used the automatic placement or the advanced placement, and this is the advertising ID if you want. All right, so again, it tells you that this ad has multiple variations. So this is not just one advert, they have multiple variations. So as you can see, say this ad uses one of our dynamic product. We advertisers provide a combination of images, so they are testing a lot of things at the same time. So if you want to view the ads, you can just come here, you can click on view ads, or you can go to their page. So from here you can see that they have 78,000 likes, like 78,000 followers, and you can view the ads from here. So let's see the ads detail to see what they are doing. So again, they are selling gym wears. They are selling gym wears, and you can see this is a product page. It says this is equally the primary text, or the header is up to 70% of everything. All right, you can go to their shop now, so you can see the exact thing that they are doing, their sales page, how they've arranged everything, their call to action, basically everything. So you can use this opportunity to spy, to see what works and what doesn't work, and how you can repeat the same thing. This is actually the best way to start anything. Just look at what people are doing and do something similar. Don't try to reinvent the wheel, because you'll be wasting a lot of money trying to learn things on your own, instead of just doing what works and tweaking it to just suit you. So this is like a catalog, is a full e-commerce website that has a lot of collections, and this is not what we want. All right, so however, if this is your niche or your industry, you can see they have different kind of posts right here. You can go through and find something that you want. But coming back to the ads library, when you come back to the ads library, you can go back to your home page, and then you can repeat this search for basically anything that you do. It can be physical product, it can be digital product. It doesn't just matter. All you are doing is you are spying, seeing what other people are doing, and how you can do something similar to see results. I hope this video helped you. Please like this video. Even if this video didn't help you, like this video, because tomorrow I might make another video that is going to help you. So subscribe to this YouTube channel and watch out for my next video. My name is Good Noel, and I'll be seeing you.